My name is Anna. Today we're gonna do the cookie Halloween. Let's open the box.
ว่าทำไมแพ็กเกจมันดูใหม่ๆอ่ะเดี๋ยวอันนั้นอย่าเพิ่ง
Oh no, cookie inside. I gotta see the code because I see the code inside. Yeah.
จิบจิบ
แล้วก็ไม่ง่ายกับตามัน Oh, what it has? Gold. I want gold. I think no. I think I want this. This is cute. Okay, let's open this. I want the calculator. Put it down first. Huh? What else is now we're gonna need to cut the software and add. Okay, let's put. Red. I gotta get it, okay?
Okay.
Oh. Ooh. But it's just a see color white a lot. So let's do color white more. Like a lady. I have with her a chocolate and goat. Have two girls. Different. I make color green. The color different. We're gonna put in this. This one is. I know this one is orange and lady. Okay, we finished. Make our cookie Halloween. Tomorrow is Halloween. And it's not for you, Anas. Can I eat one? Can I eat one, Anas?
Yeah.
Thank you. Only one.
เพื่อน
Timur.
I eat already. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Don't forget to click like and follow CB นะคะ